Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dances Dope, and today we're doing a beginner house dance combo part 2. So we have done a part 1 of this. Now, don't worry if you haven't learned part 1. You can learn part 2 as a standalone routine. I'm teaching it in 2 count of 8 combos. There's 3 2 count of 8 combos to learn. So part 3 will be released pretty soon, and then we'll put a full routine of it together, yeah? So I've taught part 1, which I'll have linked in the description, so if you want to learn that, jump on that after this video. But you can learn part 2 as a standalone routine, eventually learn part 3, and then put that full routine together, yeah? So, let's get straight into it. So, we finished the last routine with the up, tap, down, yeah? So what we're going to do here is we're getting into a shuffle first. So you're going to kick left, right, kick it behind, kick right, left, behind. Then you're going to do a hop switch, so you hop on that left foot, right comes behind, hop on that right foot, left comes behind. Yeah? Good. And again, so a basic shuffle to start. So you kick left, kick right, bring it right behind. Make sure you can see it. Kick right, kick left, bring it behind. You hop switch, hop switch. And what you're going to do here is you're going to hop onto right foot, left foot is going to come in behind, and you're going to turn. Yes, nice. Okay, let's do that again from the shuffle. So we go nice and slow. So we kick left, right, behind. Right, left, behind. Hop switch, hop it in, and turn. From there you're going to up jack. So nice big up jack, get that big bounce, and then you're going to sidewalk out of that, yeah? Well, let's recap that real quick. So, from that shuffle, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick left, right, behind. Right, left, behind. Hop switch, hop it in behind, turn, up jack. From here you're going to sidewalk, so you're going to step right foot, then you're going to hop on left foot as right foot kicks out. Then you're going to step that right foot behind, step the left foot out to the side, then you're going to hop on right foot as you kick left foot out. You're going to then twist, so you re-hop on that right foot, twist your left leg out, and then you're going to hop tap. So you're going to make your right foot, your heel, come up to your left foot toe, and hit that tap, yeah? And that's the finish of the 2 count of 8 combo. So, let's recap that nice and slow. Make sure we got the moves and details good. We'll go quick, and we'll go good 3 times with the music, yeah? As I said, there is a part 1 that you can jump onto too, and then eventually there'll be a part 3, so we'll build up all these routines, yeah? So, nice and slow from the shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick left, right, behind. Right, left, behind. Hop switch, jump it in behind, turn, nice big up jack, sidewalk, step, kick, step, kick, twist, tap, down, yeah? So from your up jack, you're stepping right foot, hop on left as you kick right out, and step right behind, step left out, hop on right as you kick left out, hop twist, tap it down. Yeah, good. Let's speed it up because it's nice and quick with this beat, yeah? It's a nice hype beat. So, quicker, then we'll go with the music. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch, behind, turn, up jack, step, kick, twist, tap, down. Boom, there it is. Okay, if you're struggling with any of that, rewind it back, go through it again. But let's go 3 times with the music, yeah? Let's go. Okay, 3 times to the beat, yeah? From that shuffle, I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, 8.
The rhythm, the drums. The rhythm, the drums. The rhythm, this is us.
Hey, there it is. 2 more times, yeah? Told you it's quick. Okay, 2 more times. Make sure you make it big. Keep that bounce. I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, 8.
The drums. The rhythm, the drums. The rhythm, the drums. The rhythm, this is us.
Hey, 1 more time, let's go. Okay, 1 last time. Make this your biggest one, yeah? Lots of bounce, lots of jack. 5, 6, 7, 8.
The drums. The rhythm, the drums. The rhythm, the drums. The rhythm, this is us.
Hey, nice.
Nice.
Okay, good. So there it is. There's your beginner house dance combo part 2. So that is the second lot of the routine. So we've got a part 1 which I'll have linked in the description. Part 3 even may be linked in the description unless you're one of the early ones clicking on this, which I appreciate you guys. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the routine. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dances Dope family, hit that bell notification button to keep up to date with all the uploads. We're dropping at least 2 videos a week plus shorts as well, so keep an eye out for them. If you guys want to chop it up in the comments at all, ask me any questions, leave a comment down below. I do get back to every single one of you guys, so thank you. Check out all the links in the description for all the playlists. Click here to visit the channel, see all the other tutorials, and click here to jump onto your next tutorial, yeah? Thank you guys, appreciate you all. Catch you in the next one.